Hi guys, we're going to see today how make a roll hem. This is the Bernin Artista 180. I am new to handle this machine, but I'm trying to do the best. This part of the roll hem is with the foot. Had this part here coming like this, and this Bernina is 69, but I know in all the machines we had that presser foot for roll hem, had a little hole here, and you just put in the machine. Close. When I start the first time in this one, I realized this. In this particular, we need to check in the pressure for the bar. If it's too much pressure, don't going to be rolled. It's going to stuck there. So make sure you have enough pressure. This, you see, when you put the feet the presser foot, notice there are no way to pass in other machines. You just can pass the thread over here. There are a little open for we put the top thread under, and this one it's not coming like that. So there are two ways to do this, because the idea is the thread for the top need to be under the presser foot. This is one, you just throw the hole and take. The other way is just, this is the thread here, it's not under, you just put a fabric, presser down, and with the right hand and the hand well towards you 1 or 2 times, and you can take your top thread. Okay, now I don't like to press. I don't like to do that, so I just go like this. Take this, 1, 2, like that, and go under there. The machine need to be in a straight stitch. You can do little zigzag when the width is small, because remember this has a small hole, so can be too width. It's just small if you want. I'm going to demonstrate just with the straight stitch, and the long of the stitch I let in almost 4 in a straight stitch. But I know can do also with a little zigzag. Pay attention, not going to damage the needle or something. Okay, well, I'm going with the straight. Is there, I already folding 2 times. Take your threads, the needle down with help with the right hand and the hand well towards you, and it's there. You're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and you see how I pull a little, like a 4 stitches. Now up the presser bar, pull the one is formed already, pull between the idea is put in that little hole in the in the front of the preserved food is there. You see? Now you can a little bit, you're going towards you a little bit like that. You see, it's fast. You realize it's fast. Okay, now for do that, just I take the thread and pass. You see, you can do this just to make sure it's made that little roll there. Is the idea. If you get that, you're going to be good. And go towards you, pull towards you a little bit until it's the stitch I made there, down the presser bar and start. The first is tell you if you're going to do good or not. So now you go with your fingers and you're going to do like a feet that little hole. See how go my fingers here? Ready. This is how made that. That's good. Thank you guys. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. God bless you. And after I'm going to put some videos about some of the preserved food for preserved feed for Bernina. Beautiful lady, tell me something about these preserved foods because I sold some and they are really almost the same, but when we go into the practice we realize they are for different machines according for what style is the preserved food. So after I'm going to let you know more about the Berninas and preserved feed, how is my knowledge. Okay guys, thank you for watching. God bless you and please continue pray for the world. Bye.